In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a custom domain to a website that you're hosting on Netlify. So I quite like Hover.com for getting my domain names. So let's create a Hover.com account. So we just need to put in our details: first name, last name, email address, choose a username and a password you'll remember. Then click continue. Then we just need to agree to the terms of service. So you'll eventually find yourself at the main Hover.com control panel, and you want to click on the plus button on the right side of your domains, and this is where we can search for a domain name that we like that isn't already taken. So I'm going to put in Board of Games, and if I do a search for this, I can see that this is available, and I can add to cart for $12.99 a year. So if I go to my shopping cart, I can check all the details in there and purchase this domain name. So then I want to click on Manage Domain, and this is where we will be able to manage the specific settings for this domain. But now we actually want to move over to our Netlify control panel, and here we want to click on Set up a custom domain, enter our custom domain and click Verify. So we want to click on Yes, Add Domain, and then we want to click on Check DNS Configuration. And if we scroll to the bottom of this page, we can see that we can set up Netlify DNS for boardofgames.com. So we want to click on that, and then we want to click on Verify, and then Yes, Add Domain, and then click Continue. And then this tells us that we need to add these lines to our domain name servers. So if we copy the first line, and then come back to our Hover.com control panel and click on Edit Name Servers, and this is where we want to paste in these name servers. And so the first one is DNS1, but the second is DNS2. And we need to keep clicking the plus another name server to add 3 and 4 as well. And then we need to click Save Name Servers. So now in that name servers list, those 4 name servers should be in there. And now we can go back to Netlify and click Done. And Netlify DNS should be against both Board of Games and www.boardofgames. So that's happy now. And we should be able to go to boardofgames.com and see our Netlify website. But it's not secure at the moment, so we need to do one more step. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that we can set up HTTPS SSL certificate. So we need to just click and then click Provision Certificate. And it's saying that we need to verify our Hover account. So we need to look for an email from Hover and just verify the information there. And then if we click check, that should now be happier with a status of active. So if we go back to our boardofgames.com, and check in there, hopefully that is all set up correctly, and then we can go back and change it to HTTPS boardofgames.com, and we can see that that is now a secure, fully functioning custom domain for our Board of Games website.